Okay, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, people bring with ideas, new businesses, new products. I'm testing out a company called the Free Website Guys, and I first heard from them 5th of March over LinkedIn. 4 emails, not a lot of info, I have to say. Email from Sven, 9 emails, each it out. I had a call, Lucia. So I'm going to walk through their process because this will work for the right people. And we need to marry up the process, the route map, managing expectations, times of operation, like because they're in Santa Fe. So for the UK, they're like a few hours behind. Um, Time commitment, um, costs. So Blue hosting is about £35 a year, $35. And I want to find out if I can get 3 years at that kind of rate. So that after a year I'm not paying £70 a month, and what they actually do. So how it works. Is it really a selection process? Is there a little bit of fluff and bubble there? And also going to look at you know, what they do, which so basically Divi, really nice templates, and they basically customize them and hand them over, and it's on WordPress, but it's not the dashboard backend that I'm used to. It's one with blocks, and it's the new one. So gonna have to learn the process and see how their video works. So that's where I've got to. They've accepted to build a website for me, and I upload my own pictures and images. So I'm going to share my screen and present this to you. So here we go. So that's Sven there. I'm going to start the slideshow. So these people, the Free Website Guys, they have a system where they have an affiliate link with Bluehost. I'll come right out and say it. And so they've organized this thing where they can create a website for a business, and you have a little application form, 2 minutes, really simple, which you'll see. And here we go. So these are some templates, and I really like magazine down there with that one there. I really like that. So I've actually come up with an idea based around doing a magazine that showcases my interests and also to write a blog. So something I can do. And the requirement for this, what essentially they want is you to sign up for Blue hosting or a company called Nexus. So you can do that. And the prices are good. I mean, I actually pay £15 a year for a .com with WordPress, and hosting on WordPress is free, and I'm very familiar with it. I've used it for 20 years. So this is going to be a little new adventure. And I would also like to be able to, there you can see Choice Plus recommended. I would like to be able to do that for 3 years instead of 1 year and pay £17 a month afterwards, personally. So I'm going to find out. So how it works is with this template here, you can see where you upload a picture and you insert your own picture and your own videos and your own words into the template that they customize for you. And they put your hosting there. And they also said they can use Google Analytics. So I've tried Google Analytics. I have a free WordPress website, and WordPress have their own analytics. So I actually just use that because unless I'm on the right level of upgrade on WordPress, I'm not applicable to Google Analytics. So that's something I want to find out about. Here's an example of an actual website designed by the Free Website Guys. So if you go to avivadomation.com, you can actually look at it, and it looks really nice, and it says designed by the free thing. So if you go to their examples and their templates and their website, you can actually see some real websites, find them online, and then actually navigate around them, have a bit of a play. So on the way in, trying to discover this process, I would say to the Free Website Guys that this process is very neurotypical. The people that you're going to really benefit are going to be neurodiverse. They're brimming with ideas, they're creative, They might be launching an artistic thing, there might be a new business, a new product, that kind of thing. These are visual people. These people process visually. And so having lots of different holes to go into, what kind of websites do you build? No, you need one, two, three, four, five. One, get hosting. Two, choose your thing. Three, we do the back end. Four, you upload your thing step by step. So that is what a real step by step. So they ask you to apply, so you go through this process. So describe what website you want, and they've given you a nice thing. So I'm going to say a magazine so I can share my interests, and then ask what your name is, and then what's your email. None of this really says a lot about what we are. It's your phone numbers. They're just getting data really. And yes, I have web hosting. That's kind of irrelevant. So then you get an affiliate link, and mine is question mark JS equals 376774. So if you use that, you can apply, and then you can follow this process and just say, yep, I'm good with Blue Hosting. And I understand you're building me a back end of my website, and I'm going to populate it myself when you hand it over. And there's Sven saying, hello, congratulations. So that's really good. So I want to find out their terms because they're in Santa Fe. So basically, in their frequently asked questions, they've got the information about Bluehost, and the time frame, and that they use templates designed by Divi that are on WordPress, and then they customize them and they upload your logo, that kind of thing. But I've pulled all this information together because facts create choice. If I have a complete picture, how much, what does it cost, when, how long does it take, who, what, when, where, why, and if something solves a problem, like I need a website in order to start earning money, then basically someone comes along and says, we'll do a website for you for free, and this is what we'll do. Yeah, I'll go. And that is catering for neurodiversity. And that is what is missing, because low one-star reviews on Trustpilot are fair. I can see the point of view. It's not accurate. It's not a scam. This is genuine. But basically, just by how they confidently present, quickly, respecting the time of the customer, not 4 messages with no information, 9 emails, no information, surprise evening WhatsApp messages. No, 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 that doesn't work. Not for this audience, not for creative, innovative solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, new business people. That's not going to work. It needs to be quick, visual, in one place, collected together. That is what we need. So basically, on a website, and I've already got hosting, I don't want to pay for it. Cut the bullshit. Cut it. Cut it. We're doing it like this. If you want it, in. If you don't, out. That's it. This is what it costs. This is how long it takes. These are our hours of operation. This is how long the process is. This is how long we'll take. And if you are in regular contact with us by email, we'll have your back end built in 2 weeks. We'll hand it over to you. And if you don't like it, you can go and get your 30-day money back guarantee from Blue Hosting. There you are. So after I got the email saying thank you for your submission. Cut the bullshit. Please, please, please cut it. It's not a selection process. It's not. It's, do you want website? If you just get a complete picture, and this thing asks, wasting time, you're wasting our time. Please don't do this. So username, this, like, and that form doesn't respond because I've already got an affiliate link. So that's a waste of time. That's a complete waste of time. So I've just looked at what happens. So you apply and you provide your data, your email address, your phone number, everything like that. It requires signing up to Bluehost or Nexus. It's about £35 a year, and need to find out if I can get 3 years, which costs about £209. And that means after a year, I'm not paying £70 a month. So at the end of the application process, there's an affiliate link. share yours. If you get other people, they want people from all different industries and just like lots of applicants, and then basically it's a numbers, it's a numbers, excuse me, it's a numbers game. So they're just gonna like just work with people who get in there. So if you know this process, you know what to expect, in you go, you can come out with a website. There you go. So I'm gonna come back and so I'll share my affiliate link below, but there's lots of other people sharing affiliate links. So it's just a numbers game. If you want to get in there, you know what to expect, you know how much it costs, you know how long it takes, you know how it works. So go for it. So